In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your email address in Expert Option. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the homepage, I want you to click your profile icon, which can be found on the top right corner. You will see that your account information is displayed together with your email address. Now, if you want to edit your email address, there is a pencil icon here. But as you may notice, you don't have the option to change the email address. As of the moment, Expert Option does not provide an option to allow users to change the email address that they use during the account creation. Now, if you've lost access to your registered email address or need to update it for any reason, you need to contact the Expert Option customer support for assistance. All you have to do is go to the bottom right corner where you can see the chat icon. I want you to click on it because this is your method to contact the expert support, which is going to be Lily. Type in your question, and what will happen is the AI will provide troubleshooting steps on how to fix it, and basically that is requesting for the support team. And after submitting your request, wait for a response from the support team. They will let you know whether your email address can be updated and what additional steps, if any, are required. Basically, that's it for today's video. While Expert Option currently doesn't allow users to change their registered email address directly through account settings, contacting customer support is the recommended solution if you no longer have access to your original email account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.